Things you should know about polygraph tests. There have been several reviews of polygraph accuracy. They suggest that polygraphs are accurate between 80% and 90% of the time. This means polygraphs are far from foolproof, but better than the average person's ability to spot lies. How long are polygraph tests? While the length of polygraph examinations vary, the minimum polygraph examination time is approximately 2 hours. How do you beat a polygraph test? People say it is easy to beat a polygraph test just by telling a real lie or daydreaming to calm the nerves. Think of a warm summer night, or drinking a beer, whatever calms you. You're throwing them off. People say it works, only a person that has a lot to lose is willing to take that chance. What drugs can I take to pass a polygraph? A small dose of the widely used tranquilizer, muscle relaxers, allows people to lie without detection in polygraphs, or lie to the detector tests. The only problem with this is that the candidate will not be suitable to take a polygraph test, is like driving under the influence. What kind of questions are asked on a polygraph test? Polygraph questions to determine the candidate behaviors are about drugs and alcohol use. To determine risk, we ask about theft and serious crime. To determine infidelity, we ask about romantic and sexual activities with another person. To determine white-collar crime, we ask about falsification of information or fraud. Polygraph tests are still cheaper and faster than background checks or a private investigator. How do you know if you have passed a polygraph test? The goal of the polygraph is to detect deception, so regardless of your responses to the questions, as long as you give truthful responses, you will not display signs of deception. Do you get polygraph results immediately? To answer your question, yes, the person who is paying for the service has the right to get the result immediately. Who can't take a polygraph? People suffering from mental illness, people under the influence of drugs or alcohol, pregnant women, victims of a serious crime, candidates that are tired, sleepy, hungry. People with physical illness such as heart, breathing and concentration issues.